I got it. The latest WRTH World Radio TV Handbook. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And my good friend and longtime supporter of my shows, Thomas, sent me this. It's the latest version, 2025. I've used this over the years. I probably have maybe 10 or 15 editions. They come out once a year. This is tons of information about radio stations, TV stations, and it contains articles. So we're going to look at it briefly. Let me put it down here a little bit, and let me move the camera a little bit so you can kind of look into it as I do. Yep. Stand by, stand by. I need to get a producer. He's not doing very good anymore. Here we go. Okay, there's advertisement for the newest Perticus radio. Table of contents. Features and reviews. Let me hold that up a little bit for a second. I don't know if my camera's going to focus or not. I don't know. Let's see. Editorial. And then they have really good, there are not many of them, but they got really good reviews, articles. And this is the latest SDR Play RSPDX-2X. I have just the original RSPDX. Lots of details about it. Here's a good article on SDR software. Remote DXing with the NXP TEF 6686 based receivers. I couldn't find anything in the article that tells you how to get to a receiver that someone has put on the air. FMDX.org project. There's a pre-selector, antenna pre-selector. Yeah, what did we miss? The HF receiver guide. This is a guide on all of the newest HF receivers. Tells you some basic information about each one. Quick guide. More articles. Won't stop on those. Just say more articles. Club information. And then these maps. I like these maps showing you where stations are throughout the world. This is a time zone map. Sorry if I'm not showing things too well. The camera kind of hides it for me. And then various sections on national radio stations, international radio stations, frequency list, national television, national television. I've never tried to DX television. And then here's the listing. It goes on and on and on. Oh my gosh. Loads of information about it. Even tells you addresses. So if you want to do a QSL, you can do a report and it gives you the address where to send the report so you can get a QSL card back. I haven't done that in a long time. For a while there, I was doing that a lot. That was fun. This goes on and on and on. This is international. No, this is national radio. Boy, various countries, states. And then we get, look at that, pages and pages and pages. Both AM and FM, shortwave. My gosh. This is like 800, almost 800 pages of information. One of the places you can get this is Amazon. I'll put yeah, the link to Amazon, my Amazon store, I'll get corrector in a minute, is in the description below each of the videos. I'm going to put this, I haven't done it yet, I'm going to put this in my store so you can get to it. And then I get a small commission, very small nowadays, like 2%. Oh my gosh, this goes on and holy cow, look at all these pages. Let me try to zoom in there. Don't know if the camera's going to focus or not. Just some of the information. And this is TV in various parts of the world. Like, let's see. See if China's in here. I'm always interested in China. Unfortunately, I don't have my glasses on. Oh, yeah, there's China right there. China TV stations. Okay. I want to thank Thomas for sending me this. For the last couple of years, he sent me one. Oh, WRTH. The first, I don't know, 15, 20 years, they were published by a specific company. Then about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, they said, nah, we're going to go out of business. So they dropped the publication of this. Well, immediately, a German company picked it up, published it in the same format, same kind of content. So it still exists even in 2025. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.